Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to automate file download using Selenium WebDriver. Downloading files is an essential part of many test scenarios, and I will show you how to quick and easy way to handle this in your automation script. So let's begin. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the upload file in Selenium. Create a new Python file, right click on Python project new and then click on Python file. Enter the file name download underscore file and then click on Python file. Now import the WebDriver and import time for adding the weights in our code. Copy this and paste here. Now set the download directory. If you download any files by default, the file will be downloaded in the download folder. But we need to set the download directory in which we want to download the file. First, set the download directory. Download underscore directory. This is variable, and then R is equal to, in this round double quotes, enter the complete path in which you want to save the download file. Click on copy relative and then copy absolute path. Enter the path. Now set the Chrome options for setting the download directory. Chrome underscore options is equal to WebDriver dot Chrome options and round brackets. Now set the download default directory. Use this variable which is Chrome underscore options dot add experimental option and refresh, then comma and bracket. Now inside this use the download default directory download dot default underscore directory and then enter this variable. Then here we define the complete path in which we want to save the file. Use this variable name download directory. Now open initialize the WebDriver with options. Initialize the driver with options. Driver is equal to WebDriver dot Chrome and round bracket options is equal to Chrome options. After initializing the WebDriver with options, now open the target URL in which we want to download the file. URL is equal to, enter the URL in this double quote and then navigate to the URL by choosing driver dot get and variable name URL. Now open the Chrome browser and here you can view. After navigating to this URL, we need to click on this download button. Then we can download the file. Right click on this download button, inspect and locate this element by locator. Here relative XPath, copy this relative XPath and then open PyCharm element. Element is equal to driver dot find element by XPath and XPath value is type equal to button to perform the click. So here we will use click method element element dot click. Let's enter the URL here. Open the site and then enter the URL. Copy this URL first and then use here inside this double quote. Now add some weight here after navigating to this URL time dot select 3 second and then add some weight for download complete. Use time dot select 10 second and then close the driver. After performing this action, driver dot wait to close the browser. Let's understand this code here. First import the WebDriver and then set the download directory. Here define the path in which we want to save the file and then use the Chrome option for set the download default directory and then initialize the WebDriver with options. After this options here I use the variable in which we define the URL in which we want to go and then navigate to this URL by using driver.get and then add some wait 3 seconds. After this wait, it will click on the download button and then wait 10 seconds and then close the browser. Let's run this script. Chrome driver is opening. Navigate to this URL. We can maximize the window by using driver.maximize window. Here click on download and download has been started. Now it will save the download file in this root. Here we define the download directory. Now here you can view sample file.pdf has been downloaded in the default directory. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you manage file downloads in your Selenium projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content on test automation. See you in the next video.